This is my home-built guitar preamp. It has lots of gain for nasty guitar solos and overall it just sounds amazing. I designed and built this myself and today I'm going to show you how it works. And most importantly, how it sounds. I used 2 vacuum tubes to get that overdrive sound us guitarists crave so much. However, designing with vacuum tubes was quite the challenge because these guys need a high voltage to operate. So I needed to design a high voltage supply and it needed to fit into this tiny box. Let's take a look. This is the power supply. We have 2 transformers, one for heating the tubes and one for the high voltage. The high voltage is filtered up here and along with the other voltages it goes to the main board. These are toroidal type transformers to reduce hum and noise in the very tiny box we are putting this into. And now my favorite part, the main board. I just love how flat this is. We have the pots to change the sound here. We have the tube sockets obviously. We have some filtering for the high voltage and the rest is electronic stuff. If you want to learn more about this, comment, like and subscribe. Here we have the input jack, foot switch jack and the output jack. And speaking of output, let's hear what this sounds like. Overall, I think this project turned out really well. It was a lot of work, but it was worth it. From designing the circuit, routing the PCB, milling the enclosures, building everything, testing everything. It's a pretty solid amp and also one of the smallest I've ever seen. I think it sounds great. If you liked this video, please let me know below. It means a lot to me. Also, I'd recommend subscribing so you won't miss any of my upcoming stuff. Stay tuned.